Okay, going to pull down that second white pine tree. Got to figure out a way up in there. I pulled one down, so I did kind of figure out a path up in there, one log down. So I just wanted to show you how far up this is. Let's see if I can switch this camera around. Here's the tractor. This is that log I pulled down. Now I'm going to take this rope and this chain on up. These two chains, this chain on up to the log. You can see this drag path. How steep this is. And how far away from the tractor it is. We were about halfway up. See the tractor down there. Keep going up here. Pull it through some of this brush. First one come down pretty good. First log of this tree. See what we can do with the rest of them. Here's the second log I want to get right here. A couple more up there. And there's yellow pine. There's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow pine. 1, 2, 3. I think 3 or 4 more of these. So there's 10 trips up this mountain, at least. If they don't get hung up anywhere. If they get hung up, I gotta come up and roll them out from behind where they hang up. So, alright, I'm gonna catch my breath, hook this chain up, and then we'll see if we can pull that down out of there.